Hey guys, having the right DJI drone can totally change the game. You're out there trying to get that perfect aerial shot, and instead, you're duct taping your phone to a broomstick like some kind of scuffed MacGyver. So we're here to help. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best DJI drones, the absolute kings of the sky, so you can finally stop winging it and start getting some legit cinematic shots. Now, here's the deal. Not all drones are made the same. What works for one person might be completely useless for someone else. That's why I've got options for everyone. Whether you're a total noob trying not to crash, or a pro out here trying to make the next Hollywood blockbuster, I've got the links to all these bad boys in the description, so if one of them catches your eye, you can snag it at the best price. And hey, these drones are in no particular order, so stick around, because you don't want to miss anything. Let's get into it. First up is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is this list's best drone for travel. That doesn't mean you can travel on it, but with a 24mm f1.7 lens in 4K HDR, you won't need to. The footage you get back will make you feel transcendent. The DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines what an ultralight drone can do, offering top-tier features in a compact, registration-free package. Weighing just 249 grams, it's perfect for beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Its lightweight, foldable design measures only 3.5 by 5.7 inches when folded, making it incredibly portable. The durable plastic airframe includes cooling vents to prevent overheating during extended flights. The Mini 4 Pro's camera is a standout feature, sporting a 24mm f1.7 lens mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage. It offers dual-format recording, switching effortlessly between widescreen and vertical video to cater to platforms like YouTube. Its 48-megapixel quad-bias sensor supports 4K HDR videos and detailed stills, with creative profiles like HDR, HLG for vibrant visuals, and D-Log-M for professional-grade editing. The camera's versatility makes it ideal for both casual users and creators looking to elevate their content. Safety is a priority with the Mini 4 Pro, which features 360-degree obstacle sensors for all-around collision avoidance, making it a much better option for safety than the DJI Flip, which has limited obstacle avoidance measures installed. Modes like brake and bypass allow the drone to navigate obstacles smoothly, while Nifty Bypass offers nimble, dynamic flight paths. Built-in GPS supports features like Return to Home and Find My Drone, ensuring you can easily recover the device if it lands away from the starting point. These safety systems make it one of the most user-friendly drones on the market. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on standard batteries, or an impressive 45 minutes with the Fly More Combo Plus, the Mini 4 Pro ensures minimal downtime. Features like Active Track for precise subject tracking and quick shots for cinematic effects enhance its creative potential. Paired with its compact design and robust capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as the best ultralight drone, offering unmatched performance and versatility for beginners and content creators alike. Now, for this list's best drone for cinematic shooting, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. If you want a drone for shooting your high-budget Hollywood film, this one's got you covered. You can also shoot home movies on the Mavic 3 Pro, but that'd be considered kind of an overkill, which is why you should do it. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro sets a new benchmark for professional-grade drones, combining top-tier camera tech with intelligent flight features. Designed for filmmakers, vloggers, and aerial photography enthusiasts, this drone's standout feature is its triple camera system. The 20-megapixel 4/3 Hasselblad lens delivers stunning wide-angle shots with vibrant color accuracy, while the new 48-megapixel mid-telephoto camera provides a versatile 3x zoom for cinematic framing. The 12-megapixel 7x telephoto lens completes the set, offering a long-range perspective perfect for detailed inspection work or creative compositions. Together, these lenses make the Mavic 3 Pro the most versatile aerial camera system in DJI's lineup. The Mavic 3 Pro truly excels in safety and flight reliability, featuring 360-degree obstacle avoidance sensors and DJI's advanced pilot assist system. It navigates complex environments with ease, letting you focus on capturing the perfect shot. Built-in GPS enhances stability and enables features like Return to Home and geofencing, while the AirSense ADS-B sensor alerts you to nearby manned aircraft, making it a highly reliable option for professional pilots. With a flight time of 35 to 45 minutes, depending on the weather, it makes sure you've got plenty of chances to execute your creative vision. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with several purchasing options to suit different needs. The base model includes the DJI RC controller with a built-in 5.5-inch screen. For professionals, the Cine Edition offers ProRes video encoding, 1 terabyte of onboard storage, and the high-brightness RC Pro Remote. Fly More combos provide added value with extra batteries, a multi-charger, and ND filters, giving the Mavic 3 Pro a far better visual experience than other DJI drones like the DJI Avata 2. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a game-changer for aerial creatives, giving you unmatched versatility with its triple camera setup, robust safety features, and pro-level video capabilities. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage or pushing creative boundaries, this drone delivers premium results that are well worth the investment. Next up's the DJI Flip. This lists best entry-level DJI drone. If you're just starting the DJI drone journey, this one's for you, newbie. The DJI Flip redefines what an entry-level drone can offer, combining innovative design with impressive performance. The Flip is a perfect choice for beginners and recreational pilots looking for a lightweight, feature-rich drone without taking a loan from your local moneylender. Its integrated propeller guards make it safe for palm launches and landings, and its compact folding design ensures easy portability. Unlike traditional drones, the Flip's unique circular frame and folding mechanism stand out, offering both functionality and visual appeal. Weighing just under 249 grams, the Flip avoids registration requirements in many regions, making it an ideal option for casual users. Despite its lightweight build, it boasts level 5 wind resistance, allowing for stable flights even in breezy conditions. Forward and downward obstacle sensors enhance safety by halting the drone near obstructions. The Flip's standout feature is its 4K 60 camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for silky smooth footage. The wide f1.7 aperture ensures clear, vibrant video even in low light. The ability to record in 10-bit color or a flat D-Log-M profile offers flexibility for creators. Its 2x digital zoom delivers lossless quality. For vertical content creators, the Flip supports 2.7K video, perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, albeit with slightly reduced resolution compared to the Mini 4 Pro. With various control options, including on-drone buttons, smartphone app controls, and a dedicated remote, the Flip caters to users of all skill levels. The affordable base package includes the RC-N3 remote, while an upgrade to the RC2 bundle provides a built-in screen. For extended use, the Fly More combo includes extra batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. In summary, the DJI Flip delivers exceptional value with its beginner-friendly controls, robust camera capabilities, and thoughtful design, while its lack of remote ID may deter commercial users. For recreational pilots, it's an outstanding entry-level drone that excels in both performance and style. Next, the DJI Air 3S. This lists best overall DJI drone. It's so exceptional, in fact, that you may feel unworthy to wield it. A proper sword in the stone moment for most users. The DJI Air 3S sets a new gold standard for drones, offering exceptional features and performance. With its dual camera system, stellar 4K 60 frames per second video capabilities, and impressive low-light performance, this drone is a dream for content creators, travel vloggers, and hobbyists alike. It builds on the strengths of its predecessor, the Air 3, while introducing significant upgrades, including 42GB of internal storage and enhanced photo and video options. The Air 3S features a robust design with high-quality materials, making it durable and capable of withstanding strong winds up to 12 meters per second. Weighing 1.59 pounds, it's lighter than the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, but still requires FAA registration. That being said, the Air 3S rewards you with incredible stability in the air. The drone's folding mechanism and included shoulder bag make it easy to transport, ensuring convenience for on-the-go shooting. Equipped with a dual camera system, the Air 3S includes a 12-megapixel by 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 48-megapixel medium telephoto lens, providing versatile creative possibilities. It captures stunning stills in both RAW and JPEG formats, and with its zoom range of 1 to 9 times, depending on the lens, delivers excellent detail. Video enthusiasts will appreciate its 10-bit 4K 60 frames per second of recording, with options for slow motion at 120 frames per second in 4K or 240 frames per second in Full HD. The addition of 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG profiles ensures high dynamic range, allowing for professional-level color grading. The Air 3S also excels in ease of use, thanks to its intuitive DJI Fly app and the RC2 controller with a 5.5-inch touchscreen. Features like Active Track 360 degrees, omnidirectional obstacle sensors, and Return to Home tech enhances flight safety, while its 45-minute battery life ensures extended creative sessions. For even longer flights, the Fly More combo offers 2 extra batteries and additional accessories. Whether shooting cinematic landscapes, dynamic action, or low-light scenes, the DJI Air 3S delivers breathtaking results. Its pro-level features and ease of operation make it an unbeatable choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography. Last but not least, the DJI Avata 2, the best first-person view DJI drone. For you fans of first-person shooter games out there, it's time to make your dreams into a reality. The DJI Avata 2 takes first-person view drone flying to the next level, offering a streamlined entry into this exhilarating category for both newcomers and experienced users. The Avata 2 provides a well-rounded package that combines intuitive controls, impressive video quality, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for anyone venturing into first-person view piloting. One of the standout features is the upgraded O4 camera system, paired with the new DJI Goggles 3. Together, they deliver stunning 4K video quality with enhanced dynamic range, ensuring every flight is as visually immersive as it is thrilling. Shadows and highlights are balanced beautifully, offering exceptional footage straight out of the box or in D-Log-M for post-production flexibility. The goggles are ergonomic, compact, and feature dual 1080p micro OLED displays with a 100 Hz refresh rate, providing vivid colors and sharp details. The 3 flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, cater to all skill levels. Beginners can start in normal mode using the intuitive DJI Motion Controller 3, which allows for precise and stable flight. With features like obstacle avoidance, return to home, and even a panic button for emergencies, more experienced pilots can switch to sport mode for faster speeds and higher control, or opt for full manual mode with the DJI Remote Controller 3 to perform aerobatics and advanced maneuvers. The Avata 2's redesigned frame is lighter, quieter, and more aerodynamic, making sure you've got better flight performance. Its battery supports up to 26 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer sessions without constant recharging. The drone also excels in precision flying, making it perfect for tight spaces and cinematic real estate shoots. While it's not built for hardcore freestyle flying, the Avata 2 shines as a cine whoop drone, delivering exceptional video quality and ease of use. For anyone new to first-person viewing or looking for a capable, immersive drone, the DJI Avata 2 is a fantastic choice that balances thrills, safety, and performance in a single package. Alright everybody, that's the list. If you liked the video or actually learned something today, slap that like button. Seriously, it takes like 2 seconds and helps us out a ton. Also, don't forget to check the description for links to get the best prices on these drones, because I know you're not trying to pay full price on this stuff. That's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time.